Ummul Mu'mineen Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha narrated, once Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha fell ill, and her illness persisted for an extended period. During this time, a physician came to Al-Madinah. Hazrat Aisha's nephew went to him and inquired about her illness. The physician replied that she was under the influence of magic, and a woman who had bound her with a spell was responsible for it. Upon investigation, the woman confessed to having performed the magic. She admitted, "Yes, I did magic on her because I wished that she would die, and when she dies, I would be set free." Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha had informed this woman previously that she would be freed upon Hazrat Aisha's death. When the truth came to light, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha instructed that this woman should be sold to the most powerful people among the Arabs, and the proceeds should be spent on her ransom like any other slave. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23040.